What do you want to do, man?
I think I have an idea. I think I know the best way to get it back.
Okay.
I do know.
I'm gonna give you this mouse. Here it comes. Oh my gosh.
All right. You trust me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. I would have laughed really hard if the second one's not much better.
No, it's not. I was thinking we have to take a big risk and just try and go for like a mid-size multi, because that, to me, that seems like the safest way. It's like playing Crash and you cash out at a 1.5 with a big bet. Instead of chasing a huge, insane multiplier with a small bet, you just go for a reasonable multi, like 59% chance with a large bet. That seems like better odds to me.
I agree.